In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer is designed for ease of use and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users. With dimensions of 17.24 inch x 16.7, x 18.58 h and a weight of 17.2 pounds, this aluminum-constructed printer features a straightforward assembly process that requires only 3 steps, significantly reducing setup time. It incorporates advanced CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling technology, which automates the leveling process across 16 points, enhancing convenience and accuracy. The upgraded 4.3-inch user interface includes a model preview function and supports 9 languages, improving user experience. Additionally, the printer boasts a removable PC spring steel magnetic build plate for easy model removal, a silent motherboard for quiet operation, and a full metal extruder for improved durability and extrusion force. Before use, users must ensure the power supply is set to the correct local voltage. Overall, the Ender 3v2 Neo combines innovative features with user-friendly design, making it a valuable addition to any 3D printing setup. Number 2. Artillery Sidewinder X1 3D Printer. The Artillery Sidewinder X1 is a high-performance 3D printer made from durable aluminum, designed for efficiency and ease of use. With dimensions of 21.65 inch x 15.94, x 25.2 h and a weight of 13 kilograms, it boasts a remarkable print speed of up to 150 mm per second, particularly excelling with flexible filaments due to its direct drive extruder. Arriving 95% pre-assembled, setup is straightforward. The printer features a fast-heating AC heat bed with thermal runaway protection, reaching temperatures of 80 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes and a 0.4 mm nozzle heating up to 110 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. Enhanced stability is ensured with 3 inductive sensor end stops and a synchronized dual Z system, while a built-in power supply guarantees consistent performance. Additionally, the SW-X1 includes filament runout detection and power loss recovery, minimizing interruptions during printing. Operating quietly even at high speeds, the printer's upgraded motion system reduces noise and allows for faster operations, making it an ideal choice for users who wish to multitask while printing. Number 3. Creality CR10v3 3D Printer. The Creality CR10v3 3D printer features a compact design with dimensions of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches and a weight of 11.5 kilograms. Constructed from high-quality carborundum and PLA materials, this printer is equipped with a Titan direct drive extruder that minimizes filament travel distance, making it especially effective for printing flexible filaments like TPU and ABS while reducing issues such as stringing and oozing. Its dual-part cooling fans enhance heat dissipation, helping prevent jams and spillage. The upgraded silent motherboard, powered by an ultra-silent TMC2208 driver, ensures a quieter operation with built-in safety features such as thermal runaway protection and resume printing capability. The all-metal frame and stable triangular structure contribute to high-accuracy prints by reducing vibration-related errors, while the 24V350W meanwhile power supply optimizes heating efficiency for quick startup. Overall, the CR10v3 stands out for its reliability, performance, and user-friendly features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K 3D printer features a robust design with a metal construction and a compact footprint measuring 15.35 inches in diameter and height. It is distinguished by its impressive 9.25-inch monochrome LCD screen, which is 138% larger than standard screens, offering enhanced durability and a longer lifespan due to its scratch-resistant film. With a substantial print volume of 9.6 by 7.8 by 4.8 inches, this printer allows for the creation of large models or multiple prints simultaneously, thereby increasing productivity. Their high precision and resolution of 5760 by 3600 pixels, combined with a powerful matrix of 40 LED lights, ensure exceptional detail in printed designs. Notably, the Photon Mono X6K boasts ultra-fast printing capabilities, achieving speeds of up to 3.15 inches per hour and a rapid layer exposure time of just 1 second. Additionally, it offers a UV lamp power adjustment feature ranging from 30% to 100%, making it compatible with various resin types while extending the lifespan of both the screen and the light source. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v2. The Comgrow Ender 3v2 is a 3D printer made of durable aluminum, featuring a compact design with dimensions of 17.32 inches by 17.32 inches by 18.31 inches and weighing 15.43 pounds. It comes equipped with a self-developed silent motherboard for low decibel operation, enhanced motion performance, and strong anti-interference capabilities. The printer includes a UL-certified branded power supply for safe and efficient heating, with the power supply discreetly integrated into the machine. User convenience is enhanced with a rotary knob on the extruder for effortless filament feeding, a 4.3-inch smart color screen, and an upgraded UI system. Additionally, the printer features a resume printing function to recover from power outages and a carborundum glass platform for faster heating, better adhesion, and ultra-smooth first layers. It is compatible with laptops and personal computers, making it a versatile choice for 3D printing enthusiasts.